I want to talk now about how we can use business cards to get business. And by that I mean put on your business card what you do for a living. Now, how many times have you gone to a networking event and you get business cards from everyone and you're talking to someone and you say, I will never forget this person. I'll never forget who they are, their name, what they do. And then you wake up the next morning and you got no recollection of who they are. So then you look through those business cards that you got and they all say attorney at law. Imagine if someone is looking for a personal injury lawyer and they're trying to remember you. They go through those cards and instead of attorney at law, it says personal injury lawyer representing plaintiffs in litigation, or something on the card to let people know that you are a PI lawyer. So think about reordering your cards not with attorney at law on it, but what you do. I'm a personal injury lawyer, I'm a trial lawyer, I represent plaintiffs in litigation. And at the next networking event, even if someone doesn't remember you specifically the next day, when they look through those cards, they'll know who the PI lawyer is.